So we're moving now. Apparently the ferry is max noted goes in both directions. And while we were heading one way beforehand, we're now heading the other way. Damn, what a view, what a view. It's Chinese New Year time / Valentine's Day time coming up. So all the buildings are festooned with festooneries. Festooneries. That's a good word. Goodbye, Hong Kong Island. Hello, Kowloon Island. Dun, 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 boat through that window there. All the way up. Apparently if you go down... What's that? Yeah, what are those, I wonder? Two big white towers in the distance, you can see them. Some kind of rainbowy building. That's cool, it's like Blaster Master up in the air. Taking pictures. A bunch of people taking pictures. I hear all these cameras going on. It's great when a building can become a billboard. It's kind of cool. It's better than looking at a big ugly building. It's like you've also got like a big flashy blinky thing.
Wouldn't it be even better if it was like the Cross Tower, which is like a nice big building without a big...
By day, but at night, you know, you can't see it anyways. You might as well be like, have like a flashing
like the light
marquee
like,
thing.
Cannon?
Yeah, like that stuff. Or like this crazy shit right here. What's going on over there? Insurance, damn. Okay, I'm about to run out of batteries. I'm gonna turn it off. So yeah, this has been the ferry ride to Tsim Sha Tsui. Tsim Sha Tsui. There you go. Quick addendum, I forgot to document this junk. I've been wanting to see a junk since I got here. I haven't seen any yet. Oh man, that's sweet. I want to party on that junk, as Max's mom said last night. And there's a plane. Oh wait, no, it's not a plane. It's just a graphic of a plane on a giant scrolling marquee. But yeah, that junk is pretty sweet. I think it's just like a touristy junk, but still, we need more of those. You hear about the guy who built a junk and sailed it from China to America? He actually sailed it from Hong Kong to California, just to prove it could be done. Yeah, they say that an ancient Zheng He, the ancient navigator, the Chinese navigator, they claim that he went to America before Columbus did. But there's not a lot of proof for it. But just to prove that could be done.
Pottery.
There's pottery, yeah. There was a couple things. There's biological proof. There's some trees from China that are on the California coast that shouldn't be there, and there was like pottery shards and a map. But the map turned out to be a forgery, so we don't know. Whoever forged that map really is hurting the cause there. But yeah, but junk time. Breaking news, the junk just set sail. There it goes. Oh shit, there's no way it's using wind power right now. It is not using those sails. It has got to be using a motor, which is cheating, and I'm disappointed in the junk. But it's cool that it's, you know, on the water doing its thing. I guess it wouldn't get to go very much if it had to rely on wind power. And here we are. Thus concludes the ferry ride to Tsim Sha Tsui.